Jesse is here, probably the world's strongest trumpeter, unless we find any other one. He's got the dead sandals on, so you know this is gonna be serious. And he's also a resident Floridian cheesehead, so we got some stuff to doodle. The scroll saw for the first time, see if it's any good. Am I recording? Yeah. That didn't work.
Put that in the video.
Huh. These are all done. This one is all sappy, so hopefully it won't affect our stuff. Worst case scenario, we'll just make a new one later. This one looks good, looks great. This one broke right here, so I don't know. I'll try to foam it or whatever the material is, try to reinforce it and make it, not reinforce it, but fill it in. But we don't got the time to finish it today, so there we go. So let's go ahead and sand these down, and then we'll paint.
Yep.
Chunks of scrap there, and we were trying to figure out how to hang this sign, and in a moment of inspiration I realized, hey, why don't we make a background? This way we also have three colors, because I want this yellow, the sides black, and then this way the background can be green. I think it'll look sick. And now we can separate the P and whatever, but we're gonna do a little dad sandal handstand competition right now. Let's go, Dad. See, the problem is that you're wearing your sandals on the
wrong feet.
Yeah.
Let's see. I don't know if this thing will work at all.
See, you just gotta protect the hands.
There you go.
And get back to this, we're gonna blow torch, whatever that is, the state, and then I have a board for my American map. I oversprayed this blue a little too far, so I'm gonna blow torch a new one and then just slice it in. Whereas the other two, these are good to go, nothing wrong with those. Before we start painting these all actual colors, we're gonna paint all the back and all the sides black, so they'll look good in the shadows. Cool part, the signs will all be rustic, so we don't have to be too precise with it. We can be pretty. I want them to be looking kind of old and weathered, so we can do one coat on most things and they'll come out good enough, because we want to see some of that wood grain and pattern and texture. And I don't know if we'll sand it down yet or not, but we'll see what the project tell us that they want. Let's bring this baby to life. So all the individual pieces are done. I don't think I'm forgetting anything. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 different bobs and pieces. So we're gonna just put it all together, screw it. You can see all the shadows look really good from the side. It's a pain in the butt to do the black, because you gotta do the black and then paint and then flip it from the back side and carefully spray again the black, but I mean, the results speak for themselves. It comes out really, really nice. These obviously put together already. Alright, so these obviously put together already, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna age them some more, because otherwise they look a little too brand new. So I got this kind of attachment. You can use just a piece of sandpaper, but I got this wheel. I think it's like a couple of bucks, so let's try it. so it's all finished. Came out pretty good. I mean, the cheese is kind of like bleh, but just as an idea, this one would probably be better, but I didn't have the time or the desire to do it. Maybe we'll do it later when we do the Cheesehead Vins, or Vince, whatever you said. So I aged this one a bit. This one I kind of left mostly alone, just scratched a couple of sides a little bit. This one went a little harder on. But the idea behind when you're weathering it, just think of where if it was hanging outside, like where would it hit? So it would hit on kind of all these protrusions that stick out mostly. And then just don't be shy, because you do one of these and you're like, oh man, I messed it up. But you keep making it scratchy and dirtier. It looks better, and you can take a picture of it from a bit of a distance and it usually will come out really good. But I think that's it. So, great success. Thanks for watching. We'll build some next time.